Hello everyone. In this video tutorial series, we will learn about how to create an e-commerce website without having any knowledge of code. You don't have to know any bit of any programming language to be able to successfully launch an e-commerce website and let your users visit and make a purchase similar to any other e-commerce website. So we will go through all the steps and how to create this website in the detail in the later section of the tutorial. But right now we'll see what are the basic features that are there on the website that we will learn in this video. Is you can put your brand name here, you can put a tagline here, and then you have few functionalities, standard functionalities which your e-commerce site should definitely order, like a cart. Now we will see how when we add products to cart, how it is being listed here. Then there is a checkout page where after adding the items to your cart, you will be able to check out the items and make the payment. And then there is a button to actually go back to the home page. And then there is an account section where users who is your customer can manage their orders, manage their account details and stuff like that. And also we have given a shop button here where we will be listing all the products on the website, and we're also giving a functionality here of sorting the products. Suppose if there are multiple products and user want to make an easy search through this, then it will be easy for them to sort the product, right? Now if you visit into any of the product page, how does it look like? So if you see there is a earphone which is put on the sale on this sample website or dummy website. Now you put some description here for the website which users will read and they will know about the features of this item, and then when they are happy with the offering, then they might add this product to the cart, right? So now this product has been added to cart. You can see this message here once I click add to cart. Then you can also categorize your products for users easiness to access the website, and when the user is trying to access any product that is in electronic category, only the electronic category products will be shown to them, right? So let's go back to the page. Now we can see here, and for a single product you can add description, you can add custom details, and custom details can be of any length. You could add more and more custom details. Customer can give you feedback here, and yeah, so this is the product review section, and also we have a related product. So okay, let's go more in depth in a little bit on description, where you can add say a text, then you can add little more about the features of the product. You can add little more description and add more images or description which will enhance the knowledge that user gets from the product, and user will have the urge to buy this product, right? And we also have at the bottom the related product section, where suppose if you're selling a keyboard online, then you in the related section you may want to show the mouse, right? Or so like that related product will also be shown on your website, so that your sales will increase automatically by the recommendation, right? So these are the few features that will be there on the website. And because we have added this product to the cart once, let's go and check out how does it look like. So yeah, this is the beautiful UI of the cart. This is simple but elegant UI that will be shown when any product is added to the cart. I can go ahead and increase the quantity of the product, and that will be reflected in the price once I update it, right? So yeah, there is a subtotal which is shown on how much will I be charged if I'm trying to make a purchase of this product. Okay, so just for the example sake, let's add one more product here. So this is the same product that I have added again by mistake. So yeah, we have added two products to the cart, and then you can see the products which I added by mistake has also increased here, and then there is one more product. So I will just go ahead and update this cart once again to see. So even the quantity reduction functionality is working fine. Then I can configure a shipping price as an admin of the website, that will be you. You can configure a shipping price on what should be the shipping price if you're shipping in India, or what should be the shipping price if you're shipping abroad, overseas. Okay. All right. Then in that case, how much will be the total when you proceed to checkout? The user will be presented with again a simple but elegant UI where user will have to enter all his shipping details, which will be given to you when the order is placed. Now user can add additional notes and make the purchase here. So currently you can see there is only pay on delivery, that is cash on delivery feature is available. Later on we will see how you can add more features like pay by Paytm, maybe Google Pay, or maybe PayPal, credit card, anything. So we'll also see that features. Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is you can also, as a website admin, add some coupons that user can use to use during the shopping, which will actually reduce the price, and then they will be, if there are any offers, that will be the customers will be very happy. So this is what we are going to build in this series of tutorial, and yeah, we will go through this step, all the process one by one. Yeah, and I'm really excited to have you on board. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest updates of anything, any upcoming videos, so that we are always on track and updated. Thank you guys. We'll see you in next video.